Hello and welcome back to another activity where we're going to learn about the magnetic field of a magnetic field that is generated by a magnet. Right, so I would ask one student to sprinkle some of the iron fillings on a piece of paper. We've got a sheet of paper, we've got some iron fillings, and we've got two bar magnets, though we are going to use only one at the moment. But for this experiment, we'll be needing these three things, and the purpose of this activity is to see and to observe the magnetic field produced by a magnet. Yes, any one of you can just sprinkle some of, you can just do one by one if you really want to. Just sprinkle. You don't have to, and do not pick them all. Like just spare some for the later use. Spare some for the later use. Yeah. Right, so just dab it, right? And now you can see that they are really in the haphazard they're really haphazard. They've got no magnetic field. Now I want one student among you to just pick up a magnet and just bring it, just place it below the magnet, and or you people can all work together and rather move the paper and see and try to see if you can create a magnetic or observe a magnetic field. You can just observe the patterns. Yeah, just try and dab it. Yes, just try and see if you can just. Okay, we've got a magnet, and let me just see what's the direction of the magnet below. Right, just put it straight like that, and we've got some. If I just dab it, and oh yes, you can do. Yes, you can just try, and. Exactly, and you could just place it like that. I want you to, we would want to see that how the magnetic field is clearly visible when we use a bar magnet. Yeah, let's just start dapping it. Yes, and just move a little bit.
The poles are defined.
Yes, you can see the concentration of the magnet. Okay, I have a question from you. The question is that where can you see the maximum concentration of iron fillings?
At the poles.
At the poles.
Great. And why do you think they are greatest at the poles?
Because that's where the magnetic field charge is.
Okay, Abbas, I want you to sprinkle more iron fillings on top of this paper.
Okay.
You can just take all of it and just sprinkle it, and then yes, all of you can sprinkle because we want to see if we clearly can see more and more. Not all of it together, because once you bring in all of it together, you're not clearly going to see. Yes, like that. Now, if you can clearly see the lines, on the magnet and on the poles, you can clearly see that there is a strong, the magnetic field is clearly indicated by the lining of the iron fillings around. This is a beautiful picture which we can see. If you have any questions with this activity.
I know, ma'am.
Right, thank you very much. Let's just get